Are you new to programming but don't know where to start? Well, I will try to help you. In this video, I will show you how to learn programming using ChatGPT, a powerful tool that will make your learning easier. Step 1. Setting up ChatGPT. First, you need to familiarize yourself with the ChatGPT interface. It's a user-friendly platform where you can communicate with an AI-powered chatbot. Simply create an account and log in to get started. Step 2. Defining your goals. Next, define your programming goals. Do you want to learn Python, JavaScript, or perhaps something else? Knowing what you want to achieve will help you tailor your learning experience with ChatGPT. Step 3. Asking questions. ChatGPT is designed to provide assistance, so don't hesitate to ask questions. Whether it's about basic syntax, debugging, or understand complex concepts, ChatGPT has got your back. The more you are engaged, the more you will learn. Step 4. Code examples and explanations. One of the best features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate code examples. If you're stuck on a problem, simply ask ChatGPT for a solution. It will generate code snippets and explain how they work, helping you understand their underlying principles. Step 5. Debugging assistance. Debugging can be frustrating, especially for beginners. But with ChatGPT, you can ask for help with your code errors. Just provide the relevant code snippet or describe the problem, and ChatGPT will guide you through the debugging process. Step 6. Expanding your knowledge. ChatGPT doesn't just teach you the basics, it can also delve into more advanced topics. Whether it's object-oriented programming, algorithms, or software design patterns, you can explore various programming concepts with the help of ChatGPT. With ChatGPT by your side, you'll be a programming pro in no time. Use this powerful tool to gain coding skill, troubleshoot errors, and expand your knowledge. So, start your programming journey today and unlock endless possibilities. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this. Happy coding!